The Chaika is a luxury vehicle from the Soviet Union produced by Gaz. Divided into two generations, the Mark I and the M13. These were produced between the years of 1959 and 1981, with exclusive manufacturing rights to the Soviet government. These were still sometimes offered for hire to the general public. This is a highly collectible example and one of only 3,179 built in total. It has a 5.5 litre V8 engine producing 145 kilowatts of power to the limousine chassis and is pulled through a 3-speed automatic transmission. These cars in a 7-seater are a rarity.